What's up, guys? Welcome to the Random Incursions presentation. What?
There's no way anyone can hear us right now.
Can you hear me? Because I can hear myself. Well, that's your fault, pup. It is a windy day out here. Look at those clouds rolling on in. Me and Ryan went for a walk. I picked up a burrito for dinner and ate, and I was hungry, so I got nachos and
in other words, he destroyed the original. What the fuck?
That startled you? Hey Ryan, on a different subject, but same subject as seeing a bird just now. I'm backing up so the wind's... Alright, today at school, I was walking along and right off the sidewalk, like a foot off, 2 feet I'd say, in the gravel, a bird had made a little nest out of the gravel and it laid 2 eggs right there on the ground. I feel bad for the bird because more than likely they're going to die.
Some birds lay their eggs on the ground. Some birds just do that.
I know, but the spot it chose was just a bad spot.
Your dog's eating the dirt and rotten food.
He's a dog.
Well, you should stop him.
Nah. I'm gonna let him just enjoy his treat.